Hi guys. Go na.
What is the Tagalog of wash your hands before you eat? Tagalog.
Maghugas ka kamay ay bago kumakain.
Job, maghugas ng kamay lagi bago kumain. Okay, your turn.
What is that Tagalog? Oh. You have to be more or careful on the monkey bars if your art meeples, okay?
Okay, it's my turn. What is the Tagalog of throw your trash in the proper way?
Tumapon ka ng basura sa proper way mo.
And proper way.
Hindi ko nga alam.
Itapon ang basura sa tamang lalagyan.
Oh.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye guys.